Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a trading journal that allows you to trade both your stock and futures. Same as the stock trading journal video I made previously, this trading journal also allows traders to track their trading performance and strategy over the period of 12 months and have a detailed monthly overview and overall overview of their trading activity. Let me show you how to use this trading journal. First of all, you need to go to the Start tab to set your starting month and year, your account starting capital, and you also need to define your strategy that you will use for the trading. Before you place any trade, there's a calculator here that you can use to calculate your maximum risk per trade. For example, if the net liquidation value of your account is $5,000 and you risk 2% per trade, then the maximum risk per trade is $100. That means that the maximum amount of money you can risk in this trade is $100. Next is to find your entry level or target level based on your risk to reward ratio, your stock level, and your target level. It will automatically calculate for you your minimum loan level and the minimum number of shares to trade. After you have determined the number of shares, entry level, target level, and the stock level, you can place the trade and record your trade details in the Trading Journal tab. Here, just input the data on the white cell, such as the trade number, your entry date, with the side or the direction of the trade, either you buy or you sell, the number of shares you are trading, and then whether you are trading stock or future. If you are trading future, you can select the name of the future from the drop-down list. Then your ticker, then your strategy, which strategy are you using, your entry price, your stop loss, your take profit level, and your open position commission. As you can see here, after you key in all the data on the white cell, here it will show you the risk management here, such as the 1 hour distance, your maximum profit, your maximum loss, the risk percentage per trade, your maximum risk to reward ratio. After you close the trade, just input the trade detail here, such as the exit date, the number of shares you close, the exit price, and your commission. It will automatically calculate for you the number of days you were in the trade, the number of R multiple you gain from the trade, your profit and loss, your cumulative P&L, your account balance, the percentage gain or loss for your account, and your account drawdown. In this journal, there is also a monthly report to keep track of your monthly trading performance and strategy. There's a drop-down list here for you to select the month that you want to build, and it will list down all the trades that you have taken on the selected month. This monthly report will show a summary of your trading account, such as your starting and ending capital, your profit and loss, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic chart here will show your account balance, your total P&L by ticker, the performance of each strategy, the cumulative profit and loss, and your account drawdown. Next is the strategy performance dashboard, which lets you see how each of your individual trading strategies are performing. This allows you to identify which strategy are working well and which may need to be improved. Same as the monthly report here, you can choose the strategy from the drop-down list here to view the summary and statistics of the trading strategy. It will show the summary and statistics such as the profit and loss, your average win, your win rate, and the average return per trade. If you go to the strategy statistics tab, it will show the performance of each strategy on every month based on the R multiple and the best performing strategy overall, as well as the bottom performance strategy. And finally, the most important part of this trading journal is the main trading dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over the period of 12 months. It shows you the overall account summary, such as account starting balance, ending balance, total P&L, percentage gain or loss, as well as statistics such as your average win, your average loss, R multiple. There is a table here showing the 12 monthly trade statistics such as your profit and loss, R multiple, winning trade and losing trade. The dynamic charts here will automatically update when you import data at the trading journal. The pie chart here shows your trade performance such as the number of win or loss trade as well as long or short trade. The graph here allows you to have a glance of your overall period trading performance such as your account balance, which shows the total value of the account at a given point in time. The account drawdown shows the maximum loss of the account has incurred over the overall period, and account cumulative P&L, which shows the net profit or loss accumulated over time. You can also have a glance of the overall performance of individual ticker and trading strategy to know how individual ticker and trading strategy have contributed to the overall performance of the account as well as monthly performance in terms of R multiple, profit and loss, and winning and losing trade. So as a conclusion, I think a trading journal with a trading dashboard is very important for traders who want to keep track of their trading activity and review the trade in order to improve their trading performance and achieve their trading goals. And thanks for watching until the end. If you are interested in this trading journal, please go to the link in the comment section below to find out more about it. And please subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video.